How to make passive income with AI in 2024. Surprise job included $40 per hour high-end. Welcome back to Afrique Work from Home Jobs, Business Opportunities, Scams Likely and more. Today, we're diving into an exciting and futuristic topic, how to make passive income with AI in 2024. With artificial intelligence evolving rapidly, there are numerous ways you can leverage it to generate a steady income stream. So, let's explore these innovative methods together. But before we get started, be sure to check out this AI job with data annotation. We have posted the link in the description. We are always looking for great work from home jobs for you. This job pays $40 per hour. It is a contract job, and you can work from 1 to 40 hours per week. You will work with the chatbots they are building in order to measure their progress. You can work on your own schedule. Nancy will be sharing more with you later. So let's get started with our topic, how to make passive income with AI in 2024. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that, when utilized correctly, can open up a world of financial opportunities. Here are some key methods to consider. 1. AI-driven content creation. AI tools can generate written content, artwork, or even music. By creating and monetizing AI-generated content on platforms like blogs, YouTube, or music streaming services, you can earn passive income. You can create a booming faceless YouTube channel using easy-to-use software like HumanPal. We have provided a link in the description. No special skills needed. If you can cut and paste, you can create and utilize AI HumanPals in your video. 2. Investing in AI stocks or cryptocurrency. Invest in companies developing AI technology or in AI-focused cryptocurrency projects. As these technologies grow, your investments could yield significant returns. We will be dropping a YouTube step-by-step video on how to get started with crypto. 3. Developing AI applications. If you have programming skills, consider developing AI applications or tools. These can be sold or offered on a subscription basis. 4. AI and e-commerce. Use AI to optimize your e-commerce business. AI can enhance customer experience, manage inventory, and improve sales, leading to higher profits. 5. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Promote AI tools and software through affiliate marketing. You earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. And there you have it. AI is not just shaping our future, it's offering new avenues for passive income. Start exploring these options, and who knows? Did you know that if you get started building a faceless YouTube channel using HumanPal, once you are monetized, you will have created a passive income stream? Don't be intimidated by using AI. You might be at the forefront of the next big AI-driven financial success story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Hi, I'm Nancy. Hello, family and friends. So, I noticed that Jenny did a little sneaky boo and posted a work from home job in artificial intelligence in this video. So I'm going to be taking a look at it. But first, do you want to learn the basic of AI artificial intelligence without leaving your home? Using AI tools, it can be easier than you thought. Gaining programming skills and developing AI applications or tools from the comfort of your home is an achievable goal with the right approach and resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a programming language. Python, widely used in AI and machine learning due to its simplicity and extensive libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch are great for statistical analysis and data visualization, also used in AI. Java or C, good choices if you're interested in building more complex AI algorithms. 2. Learn the basics of programming. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer courses in programming fundamentals. Look for courses specific to Python, R, Java, or C. YouTube tutorials. Free tutorials can help you get started with basic concepts. Books. Consider books like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python or Python crash course for a more structured approach. 3. Dive into AI and machine learning specialized AI courses once you're comfortable with programming. Enroll in AI and machine learning courses. Coursera's Machine Learning by Andrew Ng or edX's Artificial Intelligence MicroMasters are great options. MOOCs and webinars. Attend free MOOCs, massive open online courses and webinars on AI topics. 4. Work on projects. Personal projects. Apply what you learned by working on personal projects. This could be anything from a simple AI chatbot to a more complex machine learning model. GitHub repositories. Contribute to open source projects on GitHub to gain practical experience. 5. Build a portfolio. Document your projects. Create a portfolio to showcase your projects. This can be done through a personal website or platforms like GitHub. Blogging. Share your learning journey and project insights through blogging platforms like Medium. 6. Stay updated and network. Follow AI trends. Stay updated with the latest in AI by following relevant blogs, attending webinars, and participating in online forums. Networking. Join AI and programming communities on LinkedIn, Reddit like our machine learning, or specialized forums. 7. Consider further education. Advanced courses for deeper knowledge. Consider advanced courses or certifications from institutions like Stanford, MIT, or online platforms like Udacity. Degree programs. If you're considering a long-term career in AI, a degree in computer science with a focus on AI could be beneficial. 8. Start freelancing or job hunting. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TopTal offer opportunities to work on AI projects. Job portals. Look for entry-level AI or machine learning positions on job portals like Indeed, Glassdoor, or LinkedIn. Resources to start with: Codecademy or Khan Academy for basic programming, Coursera, Udacity, edX for advanced AI and machine learning courses, Kaggle to participate in real-world machine learning challenges. Now, let's get back to the work from home job AI job that Jenny snuck in here. I have found some reviews, and here they are.
If you've stayed this long, then check out Afrikit work from home job opening. Yes, from time to time we will be sharing our own work from home jobs here. Afrikit is looking to hire a for contract work from home researcher. Title of job: Researcher of Work from Home Jobs. Pay: $25 per job. Responsibilities: locate current work from home jobs that do not require any fees to get started, which pays over minimum wage. Specifics will be shared during interview process. Qualification: no degree required, internet research skills, screen recording skills, cut and paste. Please send a resume of interest to afrikit333@gmail.com. Deadline: no deadline set. Afrikit is looking to hire a contract work from home data share associate. Pay: $10 per 3 to 5 minute video, $20 per 5 to 10 minute video. You can add your name and or social media links to the video. Responsibilities: sharing by a video step-by-step process involved in your particular work from home experience. You will provide a 3 to 5 minute video or a 5 to 10 minute video of your work from home experience with a particular company. Qualifications and skills: relevant subject knowledge to include first-hand knowledge of the work from home job. Video production skills to include operating a camera or smartphone to capture footage, framing shots effectively, appropriate lighting, recording clear audio, and video editing. Script writing, developing a script to outline and organize the steps. Presentation skills, to include engaging the viewer, clear and precise articulation, effective body language, conveying enthusiasm for the topic. Knowledge of video platforms like YouTube and Vimeo to upload your videos for retrieval. Creativity, a creative approach to video production. Attention to detail, such as lighting, sound quality, background settings, and overall aesthetics. Understanding the copyright laws, to include royalty-free music and obtaining proper permissions when using copyrighted material. Please submit your videos for approval. Afrikeet333@gmail.com. Deadline, none set. Afrikeet is looking to hire a contract work from home voiceover artist. Pay, $25 per 5 to 10 minute video. Responsibilities: read and understand the script. Maintain professional demeanor, with a soft playfulness. Record high-quality audio. Edit and refine audio. Adapt to different styles and genres when needed. Qualifications and skills: strong acting and vocal skills. Proficiency in English language. Good technical skills. Strong communication skills. Adaptability and the ability to learn quickly. Patience and persistence. Continuous learning, improving skills, and exploring new techniques. Please send a resume of interest to afrikeet333@gmail.com. Deadline, none set. Contributors to the platform will have seniority.